get in.
Hey, look! Hey, Daddy's camper van. Contiki, Contiki! Contiki like mine, look. It's a little bit newer though. 1995. So, just spoke to a couple of camper vanners, and parking's free here. All these motorhomes here, so there's good parking for motorhomes. And yeah, apparently it's free. You just got to pay to go on the trail.
I'm busy.
There's loads.
There's loads of waterfalls.
Yeah, look at these.
Is there?
We're going swimming in that bit.
I love it.
We're going swimming in that bit, and
What, is this all here? Where we are now?
Yeah.
we're going swimming in.
So that's how much it costs to come on this trail. So it's £11 an adult, £5.50 a child. I'll have to speak up because of the water. Loads of garlic up behind us. We passed loads of garlic, some more there. Smells good.
Dad, did you get a trout here? Look at that. Dad,
Yeah.
can we try this on the way back? There's the fence.
Already it's actually a really nice walk from the river. It's stunning. Hey, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, let's take these planks, we'll take these timbers home, these logs, and weigh them in.
Everyone look round. What?
Put these in here
They didn't got
to
one.
make them
look.
rich, to bring them money, I think,
They
or
didn't
good
got
health.
one. Wait a minute, how do they put these in the tree? They didn't got one.
Do you see any really old ones?
You took this out. Yeah, but Dad, look at this one. Someone took this one out. Dad, somebody took this one out. This was the money tray.
Ah, it's mad.
The money tray.
Wow, that is crazy.
What's that pink thing in? Dad, it goes all the way down here. To the end.
Sorry, Anne.
Time for me to put some money in. Flowers. What does that sound like, flowers?
Well,
Oh, we can have some money here.
that is beautiful.
I want to go all the way down here, Dad. They don't know. You just have to put them in. I want good luck. I won't put it that way.
Why? It's not going anywhere now, mate. Look back from my way.
Alex is putting some money, gifting some money to the money tree.
The rock's breaking instead of chinning. That's a kid, man.
Nice to have our Emma back out with us. She loves an adventure.
Where? Dad! Don't throw your hat!
Absolutely stunning walk. Kids are enjoying it as well. Irish, she's just marching on. We've not seen any waterfalls yet though, so we may be coming up to some soon. Got to be close. what's nice as well is we've kind of like happened just to come across this waterfall by chance. Obviously we headed to Blackpool, but I know that my sister does like to go and find waterfalls, so she didn't want to go to Wales, and I was like, it's a bit far, 2 hours back down south. So we looked, I just typed in on Google Maps waterfalls when we were in Blackpool, and it came up with this one. So it was only an hour away from Blackpool. So I've never seen this one on a video. Ah, it's amazing. Yeah, so it's like we've almost come across it ourselves, which is nice. Highly recommend. Should definitely come and give it a visit. Well worth the money. Look at this, it's stunning. On a day like today as well, after we've just had Stormy Dave. I was right up there. Ira's up there, just behind there, look. Have a look.
How beautiful is that, right?
These have got to be some of the best waterfalls in the UK, without a doubt. Some of the most powerful. It's mad, the kids are really enjoying playing with them little toys that they got out of the kinder eggs this morning. Easter today, Easter Sunday. To be honest, I was going to get them some eggs. Emma, that's what we needed. That's what we're going to call it for.
That's what we're going to call it. I wonder why you asked me if we're going to call what?
Forgot. Meant to be doing an egg hunt for the kids. But we forgot. We did pass a call. I could say to them I was nipping there. But I forgot what it was for. I just... So, yeah, no egg hunt tonight. Today. We'll get some tomorrow. Yeah.
I can just walk through the bush. When I go and watch.
Not economical from start.
Either way you drive it, wasn't it? That one with you?
Yeah. That is amazing, isn't it? Can't believe that guy's just gone behind that waterfall. Didn't know you could do that. I'm just getting you for. Nice place to come in the summer. That'd be amazing in the summer.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, we can't go there.
You know, you're not.
break.
Ice cream is big.
Just what Emma wanted. Cup of tea.
You don't know how excited I am right now.
So we've just had a tea.
Why is my carrots in
Kids
the
bought
way?
ice creams.
Why is my carrots?
And we've probably got about 30 minutes to get
My
back.
carrots in the way.
Looks like there's some more waterfalls here. Did you enjoy your cup of tea?
I did. It's still cold though.
Yeah.
I'm a bit. One minute now, no legs, we've got to do that again.
So this walk is a 2.5 to 4 hour walk. We're currently at like 3.5 hours because we've obviously been messing around and taking videos and going in the water, waiting for the kids. So we shouldn't have too far to go. Beautiful walk, great walk, beautiful views. Will be absolutely stunning in the summer, but busy. No, just said to Emma, I've not seen any animals. No birds, no rabbits, no pheasants, nothing. Not a lot of wildlife, but absolutely beautiful walk for looking at the waterfalls. Yeah,
Definitely worth a walk.
yeah, definitely worth the money. The weather's lovely again. Sun's just come out. Golden hour. My God, yeah. I'll look on the Park for Night app, see if we can find somewhere to park up. Huh? You want some more chips?
I don't.
Oh, you don't? Have you had the ones you've got?
No, I
So we just had a little chippy in there. Ingleton chippy. Really nice staff, really lovely ladies, and nice chips. So, just seeing they've got a outdoor swimming pool, paddling pool. Actually, it's no swimming pool, not paddling pool. Swimming pool in this village, Ingleton village. And obviously it's not open yet, it's outdoor, so it's obviously only open in the summer. It's a really nice place to come to in the summer. Do that walk, go in that paddling pool, come again. There's a cave somewhere as well, I need to go and find that.
Cave? I don't want to go in the cave.
See, just have a little goosey ganders. Look at that. Got these lovely houses here, look. So we've found somewhere to park up, but it's got no signal, no good. Yeah, we're not getting no good signal, so we can't watch a film. However, it is getting on. It's gone 10 o'clock on it, huh?
No, it's 5 to.
5 to 10, so nearly 10 o'clock. So I'm going to get the kids in bed. I'm going to read them a book. And
What's that?
Aladdin.
Oh, is it?
And yeah, we'll get some shut eye and have an early start, and I've got some plans for tomorrow.
Dad.
We might go on another good hike, but over one of the Three Peaks. So we'll see which one's closest. But that's all depending on what the weather's saying. So we'll see you in the morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Lakes.
Good morning.
Sleep well?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the story I was reading you?
Yeah.
What was it about then?
And reading Aladdin. Did you two enjoy the story? Free?
Yeah. What kind of... Do you have a book? Did you read it on your phone or...
No, I've got the book up there. No, I've got the book, didn't I? So, as you can see, I slept well. Look at that here. And we've parked up. I'll show you where we've parked. So I was hoping to find somewhere with signal, but we couldn't get it. I wanted to put a little film on for the kids. But yeah, we couldn't get any signal. So if you're going to head to the Riverdale Viaduct, don't expect to find signal. But yeah, this is where we are parked. Look at that. Fair view this morning. Just down the road there's a pub. You could probably get breakfast from there, but there's not enough breakfasts. And we're going to cook some eggy bread. Nice, simple caravan motorhome camping dish. I'm sure the kids are delighted. So yeah, we're going to have some eggy bread, and then think about what we're going to do. I want to go on a hike, to be fair. I don't know how far I can push my sister and her kids, because we are right in the middle of the Yorkshire Three Peaks. I don't know what the names are, but which is obviously above the cloud there. This side, we've got that one, and there's the other one. So I have walked the Three Peaks before, and that's where we started. And then we went up that one, and then finally that one back to the car. Did it I think it's 27 miles. We did it in 7 hours something. It's like 7 hours 20 minutes. Absolutely smashed it. It really hurt though. Our feet were battered from it. I can remember limping to the pub, but then
this? You didn't tell me this when you said, "Oh, let's do the Three Peaks."
yeah, I'm not going to do the Three Peaks. Went to the pub and I was just limping the whole way. After about, I think I ended up having like 8 pints of Guinness. Sound walking back. And the next day I was sound. So let's cook some dinner, breakfast, and yeah, on this walk. Just made a sister a nice cup of tea. You enjoyed your tea?
Creamy.
I keep dropping it.
Alright, screw off.
Don't get me another camera. Don't put me in.
Yeah.
Okay. I got the cream there. I think this is edible money.
Don't put it in your mouth. That's probably good.
No, I've actually seen edible money before
What are you lot doing?
on TV. But it's not ripping.
Guess who's still asleep?
Elijah.
Elijah. He never wakes up, does he? Like, he don't like waking up, that lad. So we've just been talking to Emma, and she's like, keep me off the camera. She don't want to be seen
Let me on the camera.
because she's not in a fittest state right now. I said so she needs to just work it. What's it called? What do you say? When people say like you just need to put up with it.
Deal with it, basically.
Basically deal with it. The fact that
Deal
you're
with it.
poorly. So she's quite puffy today, as you can see. You can barely fit her in the camera. And what's that? Is that because your kidneys are not working properly?
I need dialysis.
Yeah.
Yes. My kidney transplant of 9 years has failed.
Failing, isn't it? So what's that disease you got again?
Pardon?
What's that disease you got? Smellyitis.
No, that's you.
Yeah.
You stink.
Nephrotic syndrome.
Nephrotic syndrome. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's a disease that attacks your kidney. So you've had it all your life, haven't you, basically? So you've always been in and out of the hospital. She's probably spent in hospital than she has out of hospital.
Yeah.
You have to go out how often?
At the moment, at the month, but because I'm going to need dialysis soon, I'll be out 3 times a week. 4 hours a time.
Is that instead of having the dialysis machine at home?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't have to have all that again.
I'm getting raining money.
You've had it all before, haven't you? The dialysis machines and stuff, and
No one gets money.
it's going to be hard again for you, isn't it? Doing all that. You've had 9 years of kind of a normal life.
Yeah.
So obviously.
I could buy.
Yeah, it's fluid.
I could probably buy.
So currently,
one
her arm, not just, obviously, I can't really tell too much in your face, but I guess it is there.
Mummy, how much
My
is
cheeks swell up. Well, all my left side's swollen at the minute because my fissure has just
Mummy?
been operated on 10 days ago.
Yeah, so you've still got a massive scar, haven't you? And
I've still got stitches.
stitches.
In, actually.
Stitches, and then her arm's probably twice or 3 times as big as it should be.
Yeah.
Mummy, how much
Huge,
is...
absolutely huge. She looks like the
Mummy, how
Hulk.
much is nice? I want to buy an ice cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm buying this ice cream actually.
You gotta,
I'm buying it.
if you're watching
Bubble,
this and you've got
yeah.
nothing wrong with you, think yourself lucky because you could have a life like our Emma, and
You just keep it safe.
it's not great. But then there's even worse people out there
Yeah,
than
absolutely.
my
Yeah, one
sis,
of
so
those squishy
that's how she looks at it, I guess.
I really want one.
Not everyone can be perfect like me, so
This is not very good.
it's
Mummy,
one of them.
Oh, there's a train.
Is he?
There's a
Mummy,
train.
Mummy,
Oh yeah.
Mummy.
It's a shame it's not a steam train. That would have been cool, wouldn't it?
It's cream. Ooh. Uncle Roo.
This is our wash stuff. The sink's full. And it's just easier to boil water in the pan, clean the utensils, and wash them out at the same time. It's a right mess again, as always.
Sure, it's record me making this.
Harry?
Say record you making this.
Yeah, no, I'll do it. I paid a tenner for this yesterday. French toast. French toast. It was on a brioche. And we're off on a hike. We're going to walk all the way up there and hopefully find our way back down again. Yeah.
How much are they?
What we got? Scarf up bike.
Uncle Roo, do you make videos on YouTube? I we can sit still.
Having a quick coffee stop
I can sit
at the
still.
station.
You can sit
We all needed to use the toilet, so it was only felt like it was right that we actually bought a drink. But I doubt we're going to have another drink for a few hours, so we've got water in the bag. Well, I think the walk's going to be about 8 miles, so probably the furthest Emma's kids have ever walked.
You can sit still.
Uh,
Tell you cannot
yeah.
sit still.
Photo, dude.
Well, I'm not even sitting.
Let's hope it's not too cold up there.
I really
Cheers.
I saw a cloud. It looked like a bird. It whispered a name I thought I misheard.
Ready? Nice.
Yeah.
You enjoying your walk? Yeah, we was ready.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Feel like?
Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Hey.
There we go.
Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet.
Minding it,
Summer days can't be beat. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
What a day, what a walk. Been blessed with great weather. Kids have done well. Emma's managed to keep up. She's actually off in front trying to get to the toilet. But yeah, had a good day. It's been a nice long weekend. I hope yours has been just as good. I want to try and do it with the kids, but I might try and do all 3 peaks over 2 days. Might have to wild camp to see. We'll see what happens.
Does Eliza like chicken?
Enjoying it, Pearl?
Does Eliza like chicken, Edgar? Yeah. Then how's he not liking that? Basically the same thing. Chicken's meat. You like steak? Pig. Both of you. And you're not eating this. Steak is the same stuff of chicken.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We're heading back. The sun's still shining. It's been a glorious day. We had a good time. Have you had a good time, Em?
Yes, it's been a good
Proud of
day.
you. You've done really well.
Proud of
And
the kids.
Yeah, the kids have done really well. Especially Emma's kids. They're not used to doing big hikes, and that was a decent one. So hopefully more of these to come with her kids as well. After this video, I'm going to upload a video. If I've got enough footage, I remember filming some bits of video during Christmas and New Year, and I'll probably make a video out of that so I can get it off my phone, get it on the channel, and it's just something that we can look back on and watch. Some of you that follow the channel might watch it as well, so that'll be the next video after this one. So, bank holiday in May, 4th of May. I think I've got the kids that weekend. Maybe me and the kids can attempt to walk the Yorkshire Three Peaks. Definitely 2 of them, and maybe 3 over the weekend. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Cheers and goodbye.
Goodbye.